Have you been wondering, what are enteric coated peppermint capsules? In this video, I'm going to talk about our new doTERRA and enteric coated peppermint capsules and just how amazing they are. I'm Mandy Sommers, a certified essential oil specialist. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. About essential oil education, and I've been teaching about the power of essential oils for the past 11 years, and I am excited to share with you this actually new way to get essential oils into your body. I'm really glad you landed on my channel. If you stick around to the end, you will have a chance to access my Essential Oils Made Easy class and grab my free essential oil usage guide with 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. Have you used this product before? If so, I would love to hear in the comments below. So let's jump in and talk about our peppermint soft gels. So for adults, it's important to know that you can take up to 2 doTERRA peppermint capsules before each meal. And for children, you can take 1 before each meal. It's best to take these 30 to 60 minutes before any meal. So let's talk about what are these enteric coated peppermint capsules. These are brought to you by our Prime Meridian team of doctors, and these peppermint soft gels are specifically designed to provide targeted lower intestine support. The enteric coating of the capsules allow the peppermint soft gel to survive the stomach and make it all the way to the small intestines, where the peppermint will be the most effective. This is such an exciting new advancement in essential oils. The quality of doTERRA's peppermint oil is distinguished not only by its purity, but also by its high menthol content. Our peppermint is grown in ideal conditions, as well as harvested and distilled at just the right time to promote the optimum chemical profile, including high levels of menthol, which is what makes our peppermint so effective for supporting healthy digestive function. Clinical research has shown us that peppermint essential oil demonstrates the ability to help ease and relax the gastrointestinal muscles and calm the stomach and intestinal tracts. It also helps to reduce occasional gas and bloating and other digestive difficulties. With these enteric coated peppermint capsules, your mind and body can breathe a sigh of relief. In these peppermint soft gels, you have a very natural solution to your digestive worries and cares. You can walk a little taller and smile a little more with this newfound digestive intestinal comfort. Now, to purchase peppermint soft gels or one of my starter kits, go ahead and check the description below. You made it to the end, which means you get access to my free essential oil usage guide and also my Essential Oils Made Easy class. Go ahead and follow the link below to get access to those and get registered, and I will see you in my next class. Go ahead and give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed this education, and you can continue watching. At the end of this video, I will connect it to my next video.